If you are a content creator looking for one powerful platform that can handle video creation, image generation, editing, and audio tools all in one place, then this video is going to be extremely valuable for you. Today, I am going to show you a creator-friendly AI platform that can completely change the way you create content. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Open your browser and search for FlexClip. Click on the first search result and open it. By the way, you will also find its link in the description. This is a very powerful and creator-friendly platform where you get all the tools required for video creation in one single place. You will find all kinds of AI tools available here. In a vast variety, you get all types of video templates that you can customize and use in your own videos. If we talk about AI tools, almost all the AI tools you need for content creation are available here. For example, there are AI tools for image creation and editing, AI tools for video creation and editing with currently trending models, and all kinds of audio generation tools are also available. First of all, let's talk about the video generator. Here, you get three options: image to video, text to video, and many video effects. By using these, you can take your content creation game to the next level. Let's start by trying the image to video generator, and then we will move toward text to video. First, I upload an image where two people are sitting and relaxing. If we talk about models, all the trending AI video generation models that are currently available in the market can be found here. I am selecting VO 3.1 Fast for now. By clicking on Enable End Frame, you can upload an ending frame just like the starting frame. In the prompt section, I simply enter, "They are casually talking to each other." After that, I keep the aspect ratio selected as 16:9. Next, I have to choose the duration. I select 6 seconds. You can also choose the visibility, whether you want to post the video in the community, share it on social media via a link, or keep it completely private. After setting everything, I click on Generate. After waiting for just a few moments, the result is in front of us.
The weather is just perfect for lounging out here.
I know, right? I could stay here all day.
You can see how an incredibly amazing and outstanding video has been generated from a single image in just a few seconds. In the History section, you can find all the videos that you have created here. Now, let's try text to video. I paste a simple prompt here. Keeping all the settings the same, I click on Generate, and here it is. You can see another realistic video created using just a simple prompt. You can edit this video right here and also click on Download to save it on your device. As I mentioned earlier, there are many tools available here for image generation and editing as well. Now, let's generate an image using text to image. First, you have to choose the model with which you want to generate the image. Almost all the models that are currently trending in the market are available here. I select Google Imagen 4 Ultra for now. Then, I type, "a group of teenagers sitting in a library." If you want a random prompt, you can click on Inspire and get one. After that, you have to choose the image style. There are many styles available here to generate images, but for now, I select the photo style. Next, I choose the aspect ratio, and I keep it at 16:9. I set the image count to 4. For visibility, I again keep it private, and then I click on Generate. Within a few seconds, 4 images are generated according to our prompt, and they look completely ultra-realistic. There is no compromise in quality at all. No morphing and no distortion can be seen. Now I remove this prompt, enter another prompt, and click on Generate again. You can see that these images are also generated beautifully. In the Audio Tools section, all kinds of tools are available that make content creation easier. The tool I like the most is the Sound Effects Generator. From here, you can generate any sound effect and use it in your videos. We all know how important sound effects are in our videos. For example, I enter mechanical keyboard sound here and click on Generate. Within a few seconds, we get a 10-second sound generated. Let's listen to it. Amazing! In the same way, you can generate any sound effect you want. You can download it from here and use it in your videos. So, this is FlexClip, where you get all kinds of AI tools that have become extremely important for content creators today. The link is in the description. Do try it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.